Students, now we'll start to excretory system. That is the important part of our body. Our body works all the time, so you know that our body will be working all the time. It produces lot of waste. So waste is nothing but what will be early morning you go for the restroom, that is a waste. That is, these waste mix with the blood, which is harmful for our body. Hence the blood has to make made clean organ that removes the waste from the blood from the excretory system, the kidney, uretry and the urine bladder from the excretory system. What happens, this started to cleaning up. Okay, this start to cleaning up. So actually this is this cleaning the blood is done by the kidney. So whatever we have food, that will be cleaned by our kidney. Okay, and what happens to next step, and the removes some of the, it look removes unwanted waste that is supplied through the urinatory and urine bladder. Let we discuss about this. See here, this is look like a bean shaped organ, works as a filter and removes from the blood in the form of urine. So whatever it is required, that will be entered to our body. Whichever does not, it is a waste, is passed through the urinatory in the form of urine. Urine is formed by the kidney through the tube like called urinatory and collects in the urine bladder. Urine is removed from the body at the regular interval. So we should not what we should not tolerate to sustain to pass the urine. So you have to urinate at the regular interval. Okay, you have to regulate at the regular interval, that urinatory. When we breathe out, the waste called carbon dioxide is thrown to our body by the lungs. The extra water and salt is removed from the skin in the form of the sweat. Not only this excretory organ, only not in the urinary system, it is in the form of the what we breathe in carbon dioxide. That water and the salt is removed from the skin in the form of the sweat. That is one of the excretory system of our body. Okay, this is our excretory system. Reproductive system, the system that helps the organism to produce their own kind, is called reproductive system. Reproductive system is a form, it forms the it forms an same kind of the same kind